Posible según man release LRTC na Ciudad de Pasig con el 138 acusados miembros del MNLF envuelto na Zamboanga siege na otro año. Este el cosa revela el City Legal Officer Attorney Jesus Carbon. Según con Carbon, tasintiele que hay porsigue el plea bargaining agreement del caso entre el Departamento de Justicia y mag-acusawa. Si hay porsigue según ay resulta na release del maga-mencionado akusawa.
Unfortunately, the case is still on the pre-trial stage. And the matter now pending before the judge is the plea bargaining agreement entered into between the Department of Justice and 138 MNLF accused. We sense that the judge will approve the plea bargaining agreement. This would result in the release of maybe 138 accused early next year.
Mediante con reitera si Carbon con el deseo del gobierno local para sangga con el plea bargaining agreement. Plano según de ila aura para planta caso na korte para prohibir con el judge del caso que aproba con el plea bargaining agreement.
We are trying to stop this plea bargaining agreement. In fact, we have asked authority from the City Council to file a case in the appellate court in the event that the plea bargaining agreement is approved. We wanted to file a case to prohibit the judge from considering or taking into account this plea bargaining agreement.
Pero asugun con Carbon, tiyan sila kwantos aprehensyon acerca con Taman linga sa sigun ele que baka man dismiss lang con el caso por causa kay premature pa el plantada de
So we might wait for the judge to make a ruling and go up on certiorari questioning the order of the judge.
Puera pa con posible ay pone según sila na alanganin sitwasyon con el posisyon del gobierno lokal na asunto del plea bargaining agreement si ay insisti sila kwestiona con asunto.
This will also involve some risk because the judge told me personally that unless we can get a restraining order from either the Supreme Court or the Court of Appeals, he will have to enforce whatever his order is on the plea bargaining agreement. So that is where we stand now.
Marifita Mayo, Dateline Zamboanga.